He's retained. So it's Mr. Jones, Attorney Jones, he's there. Attorney Jones, can you unmute, please? Bye.
Sorry about that.
Bye. Are you ready, Mr. Petway?
Yes, I am.
This is the people versus Zachary Raeigen. We're here for ticket number U619-23721. Count 1, urinating in public. Please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Jones.
Good morning to you and your staff. Jonathan Jones appearing on behalf of Mr. Raeigen. Thank you for letting us do this remotely. We consent to the Zoom.
Mr. Raeigen, can you say your name, please?
Yep, Zachary Raeigen.
There is an offer, Mr. Jones, of a delayed sentence for 3 months. Does your client wish to avail himself to that offer?
He absolutely does, Your Honor. I've advised him of his rights. He understands if he were to plead today, he would be waiving his rights to a trial, the presumption of innocence, the right to confront witnesses, the use of the court subpoena power, as well as his Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. It is our understanding that the offer would put him on a probationary period, or presumably he does not violate any law or any court order amid that 3-month period. Ultimately, the case would be dismissed, and that's absolutely what he wants to do.
All right, Mr. Raeigen, can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I swear.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Can you hear me okay?
A little bit, yes.
I'll speak up. Mr. Raeigen, you've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Jones, in private about your case and your rights.
I have, yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
No,
And you're pleading guilty of your own free will?
correct, yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you are waiving your right to trial.
yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of November 5th, 2021 at approximately 7:05 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Edsel Ford and Trumbull,
Yes,
the city of Detroit?
You gotta
Yeah.
say yes, Zach.
yes, yep,
And did you in fact urinate in a parking lot?
yes,
Between two dogs?
Yes.
So with that, Mr. Jones, you are satisfied with factual basis?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
All right, so the offer is a delayed sentence. There is going to be a fine of $200. Once you pay that fine, we'll come back on August 4th, and it should be dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you, yes.
We'll plan to zoom in on that day unless you tell us otherwise.
Okay.
All right.
That's fine.
All
All
right,
right.
stay safe.
Obviously, no further police contact.
Right. Right. That was clearly implied, Your Honor. Zachary, do us all a favor and pay that $200 today, please.
Yes, I will, yes.
Thank you.
It's not in the computer yet, but at least like maybe tomorrow.
All right. Zachary, do us all a favor and pay it tomorrow.
I will, not a
All
problem.
right, take care. Judge, it was great to see you. You know your staff are rock stars. I just like to give them their little love.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Jones. Good luck
All
to
right,
you.
take good care.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.